Hello, wishing everyone a very happy Onam. Today I am going to show you a very simple design of Pookalam, that is a very easy rangoli of flowers. So I am using these marigold and chrysanthemum flowers, and now I am going to cut these marigold flowers. The petals I will cut like this. Now I will pull out the petals of these flowers and it's done. Traditionally, for making a Pookalam design, the design is drawn on the floor with the help of the chalk, and then the petals are arranged on that design. But today I am making a small Pookalam design, so I am directly doing it with the help of flowers. So now around this centerpiece I am putting this yellow color marigold petals in such a way that it will look like petals of the big flower. In the same way I am arranging the petals of the orange marigold flowers. For high color contrast, I am adding these tulsi leaves. If you want, you can use any leaves like mango leaves or curry leaves, anything you want. And now for increasing that contrast, I am adding white petals again at the border. Now arranging these yellow chrysanthemum flowers in between the white borders, and now I am adding these Rajnigandha flowers like this, and finally adding some orange petals for the final border. It will make a great contrast. And finally our easy Pookalam design is ready. I am not a master of Pookalam designs, but I wanted to try it for this Onam. Happy Onam to all of you and stay blessed.